Welcome viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to draw a beautiful baby frog. This easy step-by-step tutorial is perfect for beginners. Get your pencils, razors and colored markers ready. Drawing the outline. Start by drawing a simple outline for the baby frog's body. Draw a curved line for the neckline and sleeves. Add a slightly flared shape for the skirt. Now let's add some details to our frock. Draw decorative patterns or lace along the neckline and sleeves. Add buttons or bows for extra cuteness. Time to bring our drawing to life with some color. Choose soft pastel colors for a sweet baby look. Color the frog, adding shading for depth. Adding finishing touches. Once the frog is colored, add final details. Draw a baby's face peeking out from the top and delicate shoes or socks for extra charm. Consider adding a simple background to your drawing. A nursery setting or a garden scene would complement the frog nicely. Take your time and don't rush the process. Practice drawing basic shapes and lines to improve your skills. Use references or look at real baby frog for inspiration. Avoid making the frog too complicated with too many details. Watch out for proportions, especially when drawing the baby's face. Once you are happy with your drawing, add your signature. You have created a beautiful baby frog masterpiece. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of the learning process. You have created a beautiful baby frog masterpiece. Congratulations on completing the tutorial. Don't forget to share your drawings with us on social media. Practice drawing basic shapes and lines to improve your skills. Use references or look at real baby frogs for inspiration. Avoid making the frog too complicated with too many details. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy drawing. Until next time, to happy drawing.